Hey guys, Pete here coming at you from my newest listing. Today we are at 470 Liberty Street in Little Ferry, New Jersey. Here we have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo, which is perfect for someone who's looking to downsize or someone who's maybe just getting started and is tired of paying rent. So here we have a in-ground pool right out of the back. You've got washer and dryer right outside in the hallway here because we are on the ground floor, so it's only a couple of steps in and out. And you've got this great patio space, and it's cool because the ground floor actually has even more space than some of the balconies up top. So if you have any questions or you want to schedule a showing, give me a call. Have a great day.